We are registered with the Australian Made campaign that have audited our business, so you can rest assured that the products with the Australian Made logo are genuinely manufactured in Australia. Buying from Australian Made manufacturer means that you don't need to wait around for months for your packaging. We can turn orders around and have them delivered to you fast. By supporting Australian-made products, you're supporting jobs for the local economy. This means keeping jobs in Australia, particularly manufacturing jobs. It benefits all Australians to build Aussie businesses, and that's what we plan to do. We hope to grow and create even more jobs within the community. Australians are known for creating only the highest made quality. If you aren't happy with your product, then we aren't happy. Manufacturing our products right here in Melbourne means that we oversee the quality control, so if it's not up to scratch, it doesn't leave our warehouse.